Tired of seeing these annoying scratches on your car? Let's get rid of them quickly, easily and permanently with G3 Pro Scratch Remover. So first thing we need to do is thoroughly clean the car, because dirt left during polishing will add extra scratches. Next, we recommend using the fingernail test to assess the depth of a scratch. If the scratch stops your nail, it is too deep to be removed easily by hand, but can be reduced in appearance. It's worth noting that defects like this are too deep for any simple scratch removal process and will require a professional repair. To use the scratch remover, apply a small amount to a G3 Pro white waffle applicator or a clean microfiber cloth. Rub over the scratches in a back and forth, up and down, cross-hatch movement. There is no need for water, as this product is a highly lubricated formulation. You do not need to use excessive pressure, however, a little bit of work is needed to do the job correctly. G3 Pro Scratch Remover contains abrasive particles designed to permanently remove defects, not hide them with fillers. This means the scratches will not return after several washes or heavy rainfall. Apply more product if needed, wiping between uses to see when the scratch has been removed. Buff with a clean, dry microfiber cloth, adding a little more product if necessary for a finer, high gloss finish, especially on darker colours. Finally, it is recommended to protect your work with a high quality wax, which will also provide an enhanced gloss finish, leaving results to be proud of.